Mr. RJ. Mr. RJ. Oh, you showing the world your apple? Yes. Eat your apple in your corner. He hides his apple, he dries them out, and then he eats it. He's so cute. He's so freaking cute. Oh no, that's melon. That's your cantaloupe, isn't it? That's your cantaloupe. Oh, he loves his cantaloupe. Or no, it's apple. Yeah, it's apple. RJ, come get the peanuts, honey. That's right. RJ. Oh, look at him eat that peanut. Just pulls it right out of the sleeve or the shell. It's like a chocolate bar in a wrapper. Hey, is that your chocolate bar in a wrapper? He loves his peanuts. Yes, he does. RJ.